So first of all, I'm going to be using my Kiesel SCB7, which has a Floyd Rose floating bridge and the lock tuners for maximal tuning stability. So first trick we're going to be looking at is the easiest of all. Even Lil Wayne and Nick Jonas could play it. The basic whammy dive. Of course, this was made popular by Eddie Van Halen. And then you can make it totally slack. Push it all the way down and let the strings just rattle. This next trick is called the dirt bike. You may recognize this trick from the intro to Kickstart My Heart from Motley Crue. Crash and burn.